In this video, you'll learn how to create a service finder website using WordPress. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to set up your site effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website, open your web browser and enter the URL for wordpress.com. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites at the top of the home page. Click on this option to proceed. After accessing the Sites section, you will see a button labeled Create with AI. Click on this button to initiate the site creation process. This feature will assist you in building your website with the help of artificial intelligence. Next, you will be directed to a new page with the title Laying the Foundations. Here you should see an explanation of the setup process. Allow a moment for this page to load completely before moving forward. Once the page is ready, a message will appear that states, make a website as unique as you. This indicates that the AI is ready to assist you in customizing your site. Take a moment to read the message before proceeding. Now, type in the phrase, create a service finder website with WordPress in the designated text box. This input is crucial as it will help the AI understand your specific needs for the website. After entering the phrase, click on the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will confirm your input and prompt the AI to generate relevant options for your site. You will then receive a message confirming that WordPress.com can create a service finder website. This confirmation reassures you that the AI is capable of tailoring the website to your specifications. Following this, you will need to type in the choice suggested by the AI. This step is essential for guiding the AI's next actions based on your preferences. Once you have typed in your choice, click on Enter again to proceed. This will finalize your selection and allow the AI to continue with the setup process. Next, a prompt will ask you to provide a site title, which will be displayed in the Browser tab. This is an important step as it helps define your website's identity. Type in the desired name for your site in the provided text box. Ensure that this name reflects the purpose of your website. After entering the site name, click on Enter to confirm. This action will save your site title and prepare the AI for the next steps. You will then be prompted to create a tagline or description that will appear in search results and social media previews. This description should summarize the services you offer. Type in a concise tagline that accurately represents your service finder website. This text is important for attracting potential visitors. Once you have completed the tagline, click on Enter to save your input. This will allow the AI to incorporate your tagline into the site setup. Next, look for the button labeled Create My Site and click on it. This step will initiate the site creation process using the information you've provided. You will see a message stating, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the AI is processing your request and creating your site. At this point, be patient as the site is being generated. A loading indicator will appear, showing that the system is actively working on your request. Wait for the AI to complete the site generation process. Depending on various factors, this may take a few moments, so allow time for the system to finalize everything. Finally, once the site has been successfully created, you will receive a notification confirming that your Service Finder website is ready for use. You can then explore your new site and make any additional customizations as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.